Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Shopify checkout webhooks for order events, complete guide step by step clearly. Log into your Shopify admin panel. Go to the settings section in the bottom left corner. Click on notifications. Scroll down to the webhooks section. Click on the Create Webhook button. In the event drop-down menu, select order creation for the specific event you want to track. Set the format to JSON for better compatibility. In the URL field, enter the endpoint where you want to receive the webhook data. Confirm your URL is correctly formatted to ensure successful communication. Click on Save Webhook to create the webhook. You will receive a confirmation message indicating the webhook has been successfully created. To test your newly created webhook, place a test order in your Shopify store. Check your server logs or the specified endpoint for a payload from the webhook. If the test is successful, you'll see the order event data arriving at your endpoint. For further webhook events, repeat the process by selecting additional events from the drop-down menu. Remember to monitor your webhook responses for successful acknowledgement. Adjust your server settings if necessary to handle incoming requests efficiently. Ensure to keep your endpoint secure to prevent unauthorized access. Regularly review your webhook logs for any potential issues or errors. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled Shopify checkout webhooks for order events. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.